2 minus x over x minus 3 is less than 4. Let's have a look at this one. Well, we cannot just simply move this up to the other side from divide to times because we don't know if it's plus or minus, and it will alter whether this turns around or not and inverts. So we've got to be mindful of that. So let's just look at the two possibilities separately then. So if x is bigger than 3, this is positive. So here it gives that 2 minus x, and then we can move it up because it's positive, can't we? So 4x minus 3. So 2 minus x is less than 4x minus 12. So move that x to be with the other 4x to make 5x. Reading it from right to left, and move the minus 12 over to be with the 2. To be plus 12 plus 2 is 14. So that tells us then that x is bigger than 14 over 5, which is 2.8, isn't it? We've got x is bigger than 3. X is bigger than 3 is inside this region, isn't it? So we can see that all of x bigger than 3 is okay. So that's the first part of the problem. Now let's have a look at the other part of the problem. X is less than 3 then, shall we? In this case, this will now be negative, so we get 2 minus x, and when we move a negative up, we're going to have to flip the inequality. So it's 4x minus 3. We go through the same thing again. So 2 minus x is greater than 4x minus 12. And then we move the x over to be with the 4x to make 5x. Reading from right to left, so this is now a less than. Move the minus 12 to be with the 2 to make 14. So we get x is less than 14 over 5. So x is less than 3. In that segment we're considering, we've found out that in that region this inequality holds. So this sits inside this one, doesn't it? So we can see now that for this segment of the line, this section is okay. X is less than 14 over 5, which is 2.8, is okay. So then, our final answer. So here, x can be less than 14/5 or bigger than 3. Okay.